Maya the bee lived in a busy hive. Lots of bees buzzed around, all with their own jobs. But Maya, well, she was different. She loved to ask, why? And honestly, she just couldn't help herself. She wanted to explore. The world outside the hive, it called to her. Maya dreamed of flying free, soaring beyond the usual. Every day she watched the older bees return from the meadows, their legs heavy with sweet nectar. But Maya, she wanted more than just nectar. She wanted adventure. The hive, as always, was a flurry of activity. Bees cleaned, buzzed, and made honey from dawn to dusk. There was a job for everyone, but none of the jobs, no matter how important, felt quite right for Maya. "Why can't I fly beyond the meadows?" she asked one day, but the other bees just shushed her. "It's dangerous out there," they said, their wings twitching with worry. Then, one day, Maya met the queen bee herself. The queen was kind and wise, with eyes that had seen many seasons. Maya shared her dream, her longing to see what lay beyond. The queen listened patiently and then said, "You are different, Maya. Maybe your differences are a good thing. You can fly beyond the meadows. But be careful, little one." And so Maya flew out of the hive. The world was big, so big, and bursting with colour. She met a friendly grasshopper who chirped a happy tune, and Maya, well, she laughed with joy. Next, she came across two grumpy beetles. They didn't want to play. "Buzz off!" they snapped. Maya felt a little sad, but she kept flying. Then suddenly she heard a scary noise. A big, mean hornet buzzed nearby, boasting loudly. He bragged about a plan, an awful plan, to attack Maya's hive. Maya's heart raced. She knew she had to warn her friends. She turned around and flew as fast as her little wings could carry her. The hive felt so far away. Maya buzzed into the hive, breathless and urgent. "Hornets are coming!" she cried. The other bees were shocked. Some didn't believe her at first. But the queen bee remembered Maya's kind heart. "Maya is different," she said, "but she is also brave. We must get ready." And when the hornets attacked, the bees were prepared. They fought back with all their might, and Maya, she used her quick thinking to outsmart those hornets. The bees won the battle. They cheered for Maya, their hero. In that moment, they realized something important. Being different was a wonderful thing. Maya was home.